Rags had always been fascinated by technology and how it could make our lives easier. He had a knack for problem solving and loved the feeling of accomplishment that came with fixing something that was broken. After graduating from college with a degree in electronics engineering, Rags landed a job as a software developer. He enjoyed the work, but felt like something was missing. He realized that he was most excited when he got to test his own code and find bugs before anyone else did. He wanted to take his passion for problem solving to the next level and work in QA automation. Rags knew that the transition wouldn't be easy, but he was determined to make it happen. He spent his evenings and weekends learning everything he could about testing frameworks, scripting languages, and automation tools. He started attending local meetups and conferences to network with other professionals in the industry. Eventually, his hard work paid off. He landed a job as a QA automation engineer at a growing tech company. He loved being able to combine his technical skills with his passion for testing and improving software. Rags quickly became known as the go-to guy for solving tricky automation problems. He was constantly learning and improving, always looking for ways to make the testing process faster and more efficient. He loved the feeling of knowing that he was helping to deliver high-quality software that made people's lives easier. Looking back, Rags was grateful for the hard work and determination that had brought him to where he was today. He knew that he still had a lot to learn, but he was excited for the challenges that lay ahead. He was living proof that with the right mindset and a lot of hard work, anyone could achieve their dreams in the QA automation industry.